चाय छान देना. Strain the tea. Strain the tea. दूध उबाल दो. Boil up the milk. Boil up the milk. आंच धीमी कर दो. Turn down the heat. Turn down the heat. दूध फट गया. Milk has turned sour. Milk has turned sour. आलू छील दो. Peel the potatoes. Peel the potatoes. कुछ सोच रहे हो? Thinking something. Thinking something. कुछ कर रहे हो? Doing something. Doing something. कुछ लिख रहे हो? Writing something. Writing something. कुछ पढ़ रहे हो? Reading something. Reading something. जरूरत से ज्यादा मत सोचो. Don't think more than enough. Don't think more than enough. जरूरत से ज्यादा मत खाओ. Don't eat more than enough. Don't eat more than enough. यह जरूरत से ज्यादा डांटते हैं. He scolded more than enough. He scolded more than enough. तुम जरूरत से ज्यादा बोल रही हो. You are speaking more than enough. You are speaking more than enough. ये होटल जरूरत से ज्यादा महंगा है. This hotel is expensive more than enough. This hotel is expensive more than enough. कोई आ रहा है. Someone is coming. Someone is coming. कोई मुझे घूर रहा है. Someone is staring at me. Someone is staring at me. कोई तुम्हारा इंतजार कर रहा है. Someone is waiting for you. Someone is waiting for you. कोई वहां खड़ा था. Someone was standing there. Someone was standing there. कोई तुम्हें बुला रहा था. Someone was calling you. Someone was calling you. मैंने कुछ नहीं किया. I did nothing. I did nothing. मैं कुछ नहीं करता हूँ. I do nothing. I do nothing. मैं कुछ नहीं करूँगा. I will do nothing. I will do nothing. वह कुछ नहीं बोलेगी. She will say nothing. She will say nothing. तुम कुछ नहीं देखोगे. You will see nothing. You will see nothing. मुझे जाना है. I have to go. I have to go. मुझे पढ़ना है. I have to study. I have to study. मुझे देखना है. I have to see. I have to see. मुझे उसे कॉल करना है. I have to call him. I have to call him. मुझे उससे बात करना है. I have to talk to him. I have to talk to him. मुझे जाने दो. Let me go. Let me go. उसे सीखने दो. Let him learn. Let him learn. उन्हें करने दो. Let them do. Let them do. उसे पढ़ाने दो. Let him teach. Let him teach. मुझे सोने दो. Let me sleep. Let me sleep. मुझे जाना पड़ा. I had to go. I had to go. मुझे आना पड़ा। I had to come. I had to come. मुझे दिखाना पड़ा। I had to show. I had to show. मुझे पूछना पड़ा। I had to ask. I had to ask. मुझे खाना पड़ा। I had to eat. Had to eat. मैं लेटी थी। I was lying. I was lying. मैं बैठी थी। I was sitting. I was sitting. मैं सोच रही थी। I was thinking. I was thinking. मैं सुन रही थी। I was listening. I was listening. मैं नहा रही थी। I was bathing. I was bathing. आगे देखो। Look ahead. Look ahead. पीछे देखो। Look behind. Look behind. इसे अंदर रखो। Keep it inside. Keep it inside. इसे बाहर रखो। Keep it outside. Keep it outside. इसे नीचे रखो। Keep it down. Keep it down.